inside of his mouth, and then he touched him out with his nose. And then he has this on the road that he snores out his nose. And then he has the root beer inside of his teeth.
Root beer, huh?
And then he breathes it all out into it and into his tummy.
Oh my God. That dude's ready for a nap after all that.
And then he has a yam and he poops them out like butters.
Oh my God. Wow.
Then he has these candles that pop out of his brain. And then he has this hair inside of his teeth, and then he breathes them out like snore angels.
Snore angels? Snore angel?
Yeah, tell me more about the snore angel.
What's a snore angel?
And then he has these elephant huts, and then he pushes them out into his zombie site.
What? Zombie side.
Branson, I think you might be making up body parts now.
And then he has this shirt that he snores out of his nose like daddy here.
Like daddy hand. Watch out. I cut the hair in my nose.
Oh,
Watch
you
out.
keep talking, Branson. I'll show you
And
later.
then he has this nose that he breathes out like elephant tusk. And then he has this water that he breathes out of his nose. Tracy?
He knows.
Yeah, he knows.